sausage.
Oh!
Gising na ang baby. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning! Si Adriel, oh. Nag-experiment lang.
Where did my fork go?
Puro fruits lang din ang ginagawa. Okay na kaya.
Where's my bagel?
Here's the bagel.
Where? Green cheese.
May cream cheese pa. Bagel daw siya. I think you need to get another plate. Nag-ano si Adriel. Cream cheese. Bagel with cream cheese. Gandahan. Matapon yun. Put this on the side. Eat. Ayan na. O, eat. Winarm up ko sa Whoa! Yummy? Tell them that it's yummy.
Yummy.
Bagel with cream cheese. Yan ang breakfast na Adriel, tsaka mga juice. Dami yung juice, oh. Tsaka fruits. Wow. O, eat ka na, ha? Breakfast tayo sa room. Ayoko din sa labas mga ano. May dala ako ng kape. Great Taste Choco Coffee Mix from Philippines. Ito tayo magbe-breakfast sa room. Kasi malamig dun sa labas. Kumuha lang ako ng pagkain na yun, mga breakfast. Pwede naman dalhin sa room. Ayan, kain tayo! Kain tayo! Meron tayong sausage, hash brown, omelette, cheese omelette, may orange juice, apple juice, may fruits. Kumuha ka doon. Tapos
Yeah,
meron
those are mine.
apple. Tapos ito yung coffee. Ito, ay, sugar. Ito yung breakfast ni Adriel. May pancake, syrup, omelette, Yung orange niya. Yes, si Adrian, magbe-breakfast kami.
I'm putting her sugar.
She's making my coffee. Coffee with sugar. Alright, kain tayo. Nasaan na yung kutsara? Then,
I already mixed it.
eat na tayo. Wow! Amerikano. Ito prutas. Kaya ako Pilipino pa. Kaya kakamayin ko pa siya. Alright.
Can you scooch a little bit to the side?
Why? Tabi tayo. Let's eat breakfast.
So slow in it. Where's your straw?
Straw yun. Tapon na. Sarap. Sarap ng kape na pang Pilipinas. Actually, ano siya? Choco coffee. Chocolate coffee. Yummy? Kasi sinigyan mo. No.
Just kidding.
Grabe ko sa'yo. Experiment siya din ng juice.
I'm not.
Tinitikman lahat. Happy eating! Say happy eating.
Happy eating. I think that's rotten.
No. Just put flavor.
Yeah, I thought that was rot. That was just the spread.
This is how you eat. Alright. Yummy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Nagbe-breakfast in bed, oh. Social. Fruits lang ang kinakain. Are you on diet? Ha? Nag-a-apple lang. Are you on diet?